OMG Network is exchanging at $2.39 in term of its United States dollars rate, with a value change of 0.71% in most recent 60 minutes. OMG has an all-out market cap of $335,554,598, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $76,096,028. This makes OMG Network, OMG, positioning at 105 in the digital money market. Assuming you are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what is the OMG Network cost forecast finish of 2022, what will OMG Network be worth in 2022? Is OMG Network a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2022? Will OMG cost outperform its untouched high? These are our OMG Network cost forecasts for OMG's future. As indicated by the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of OMG Network is $2.39, and OMG is presently positioned number in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of OMG Network is 140,245,398 with a market cap of $335,554,598. There are numerous ways of putting your cash in the digital money market, and furthermore, the engineers have sent off numerous stages on the internet from which you can put resources into the coin and procure some benefit putting your coin into the market. Further here, you will find OMG price prediction in the event that you are searching for coins to put resources into. Further here, you will track down more about OMG price prediction and its future forecasts also. In any case, you can't simplify it, since there are heaps of issues in putting cash into the best coin of the new time, and there are a few prospects that the coin will give you better return in the forthcoming time or year. Thus, we like to talk about the coin which has turned into a subject of conversation as of late, and financial backers are attempting to put resources into these coins. However, the main thing is to figure out the ongoing circumstance of the coin and what cost can be a coin show you later on. We have kept numerous significant things to us prior to putting our cash into the market. Today, we will talk about the coin which is catching the consideration of millions of financial backers across the world. Indeed, OMG Network (OMG) has turned into the subject of the present conversation, as many individuals are attempting to be familiar with the coin and what will be the cost of the coin in the forthcoming years. Prior to financial planning and perusing the OMG Network cost expectation, it means quite a bit to know what it endlessly is there any utilization case for it or not. All the data connected with the coin will be accessible here. However you want to accomplish one work, simply be quiet and perused all the data cautiously on the grounds that prior to putting resources into the coin, it is additionally critical to be aware of the organization, and later, you can pick the better choice for the coin. Here is about the coin. What is OMG Network? According to the sources, the OMG coin is an e-wallet of white name and was created on the Ethereum blockchain by a notable Time Monetary Administration's organization called OMIs. Previously, the organization was known as OMISEGO. On the off chance that you don't under the importance of a while mark, thus, the name white mark is utilized by the various brands. Basically, you can comprehend by a plain t-shirt where the names of many organizations have printed. Along these lines, e-wallet is a paper piece of programming that can hold the expected data of advanced cash. Indeed, the OMISEGO permits clients to move their coins from one blockchain to other without charging conventional trade. Additionally, it permits moving of assets among blockchain and conventional installments suppliers like Swift. Pioneer behind OMG Network. The OMG Network was established by a group of in excess of 50 representatives of an organization across the world. In the first place, it was established by a Thai-conceived man Vandich Adakavanage and worked as an auxiliary of Sinca. OMG price prediction. Presently, the cost of the coin is quickly expanding, and everybody is expecting that the cost will coin arrive at its high, and furthermore, the forthcoming years will give them some startling sum from the coin. The tales are spreading over the internet that the coin will give you astounding returns in the impending years. At present, the cost of the coin is $9.35, with an exchanging volume of $1,458,091,464 United States dollars, and the cost of the coin is up by 1.12% as of now. It is accepted that the cost went up in the 24 hours at an extremely sluggish speed, however the beyond couple of days was totally astonishing for the coin, and numerous financial backers were expecting something from the coin on the grounds that, in a couple of days, it has been caught the position of number 81 in the market, which is stunning information for each coin holders. Presently, how about we look at the value expectation of the coin and what could we at any point anticipate from the coin in the following impending years? What makes OMG Network unique? OMG Network accepts that Ethereum's huge speed and cost boundaries should be defeated before standard organizations will think about building their items and applications on the organization. Thusly, the OMG Network project is work to assist with making Ethereum more appealing to organizations and ventures that need to scale while at the same time eliminating their carbon impression. It accomplishes this with its plasma-based sidechain arrangement, which can assist with decreasing power utilization by up to close to 100%, contrasted with Ethereum, and cut expenses by around 66%, while guaranteeing resources remain got by the fundamental Ethereum organization. The actual stage is upheld by $25 million in financing acquired during its 2017 beginning coin offering, ICO. Additionally, OMG Network parent firm Synca as of late raised a further $80 million in Series C subsidizing and was upheld by a few significant trading companies, including Toyota Financial Services Corporation and Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation. Who are the founders of OMG Network? The OMG Network as of now comprises of a group of in excess of 50 representatives dispersed across the world. Following this, Chad Cavendish held a few counseling jobs at conspicuous monetary organizations, including the International Finance Corporation, IFC, and World Bank Group, prior to establishing OMG Network, then, at that point, Omisego, in 2017. Chad Cavendish held the job of overseeing chief at the organization until 2019, preceding changing to the job of CEO, which she actually holds right up to the present day. Past this, Stephen McNamara, previous head of blockchain R&D procedure at Huawei Technologies, is OMG Network's COO, though Kasimathern Pipichai, a vigorously experienced designer and expert, is its CTO. What makes OMG Network unique? OMG Network accepts that Ethereum's huge speed and cost boundaries should be defeated before standard organizations will think about building their items and applications on the organization. Accordingly, the OMG Network project is work to assist with making Ethereum more appealing to organizations and ventures that need to scale while at the same time eliminating their carbon impression. It accomplishes this with its plasma-based sidechain arrangement, which can assist with diminishing power utilization by up to close to 100%, contrasted with Ethereum, and cut charges by around 66%, while guaranteeing resources remain got by the fundamental Ethereum organization. The actual stage is upheld by $25 million in financing got during its 2017 starting coin offering, ICO.